Why do HVAC systems become less efficient with age? HVAC systems become less efficient because parts wear out, dirt builds up, refrigerant can leak, and older technology usually uses more energy. As an HVAC system runs year after year, its filters, coils, fans, motors, and electrical connections slowly collect dirt or wear down. A dirty filter blocks airflow, so the system must work harder and run longer to heat or cool the home. Dust on the indoor coil acts like a blanket, making it harder for the system to move heat. The outdoor coil can also become clogged with grass, leaves, and dirt, which prevents heat from leaving the house properly. Moving parts may lose lubrication, belts can loosen, and motors can become less efficient. Small refrigerant leaks reduce cooling performance, but adding refrigerant without repairing the leak only hides the problem for a while. Older systems may also use less efficient compressors, motors, and controls than newer models. One useful fact is that a system can lose efficiency even when it still appears to be working normally, because longer run times and rising energy bills may be the first warning signs. To help, replace filters regularly, keep outdoor equipment clear, and schedule professional maintenance before heavy heating or cooling seasons. A common mistake is waiting until the system stops working, so pay attention to unusual sounds, weak airflow, uneven temperatures, or longer operating times. Another mistake is using a filter that is too thick for the equipment, because it can restrict airflow. Use the size and type recommended by the manufacturer. Some people assume adding refrigerant is routine maintenance, but low refrigerant usually means there is a leak, so have the leak found and repaired. Finally, do not ignore a dirty outdoor unit, and gently clear leaves and plants while keeping power and internal repairs to a qualified professional. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.